first month rent, last month deposit.
I like it. I think it has a lot of style to it. I like the ceilings. There's a lot of people here because it's an open house.
Jamie, come on.
She likes it. You like it?
Dad, it's decent. I didn't see this part over here. DJ, come on. Oh,
I mean, it's big. So it's decent. I think it's cute. The price on this is unreal to me. Hey. This is what happens at an open house, boy.
pick them up and carry them in there.
Yeah. Big closet. There is a pool out there and a big deck. The yard definitely does need work. It's a rental, but it is for sale and it's super affordable.
Thank you. So go ahead and take a look at it now. And how about you text or email me whatever you pay for it. I'll send it over. You know what I mean? And then
My family owns it. I can almost get it. But somebody buys it. Oh, that is a glass door though. Now the pool is gross because the pump is broken. I am afraid of this little thing. Needs to be sturdy, but it's kind of cool how the tree is up there. Only thing is those people back there. But this is a good sized deck. Those people have a nice backyard over there. It's Houston. I mean, like, what do you expect, like, in, like, non-developed neighborhoods that are not gated? You're going to have some people that keep up their yard and their property and some people that don't.